Beautiful day today in Baku. I'm doing this video because in 2 weeks there will gonna be the Formula 1 Grand Prix in Baku. I'm not a big fan of Formula 1, but I think since I'm here it's worth to have a look, and maybe you may be interested in the preparation that the city is going through to do the actually race. So I will walk through the circuit and see what's going on. This is the start of the race. There in front this block is the box section, and there is the this curve here, as you can see. Then the first curve, and you can see here they already put the protection for the race. So let's walk around. As you can see, this is all movable stuff, just been installed, and after the race it's going to be all removed. It's already 1 week, well more, 10 days that they are working to put all these protection fences. As you can see here, there is quite a big amount of bumpers, because this curve is the first one, and they will arrive here with quite some speed, I believe. Let's continue. Now I'm walking in an area that I think between two fences. Of course, this is the road where the cars will race. I think where I'm walking now, it's where the stuff of the race, of the organization will be. I don't think here public will be allowed. It's amazing to see the amount of work that goes in the preparation to transform, to get the city ready for the race. Probably here going to be public behind these fences, and here they will race till a little bit further this road, and then turn to the left. Here is where they will turn and goes in this road, and in fact, as you can see, there is quite an amount of bumper ready there to close this road, get it here. They will go against traffic in this road, and let's see when it's gonna be the next turning point. This one, to be honest, is a pretty narrow road for the Formula 1. I'm not sure if they will be able to do any overtake in this section, but it looks like speed may be quite high here. It's a straight line for quite a time, so could be interesting, I believe, to watch it. I think Sunday I will go around. I will buy a ticket. I'm not sure if I will be able to see anything, because I do expect a lot of crowds, but I will make a movie anyway to catch the atmosphere. Still the same straight line, straight road that where we're here. You can see they put crossing, kind of bridges, temporary bridges, to cross above the track race, because 1 week before the race, all these roads were going to be closed off traffic, pedestrian and car traffic. Now in front of us there is a park, and on this park, on the right side of the park, the cars will gonna go exactly in the direction I'm walking to. So opposite to the traffic as it is today. You see all the fences. And here the track leaves the city center with a curve to the left in this direction, and start going on the boulevard on the Caspian Sea. Most scenographic piece of the race, I assume. So we walk in this direction. Here the road is a bit wider, so probably there's gonna be more possibility of taking over other cars. Let's continue. So here they will continue straight until, as you can see there at the end, they will turn to the right again. I will go there, but I have to go under a pass to reach that position. You can see the bumpers already. Let's go under to move forward. Actually, no, the truck doesn't do this little piece of road. A mistake. It's in fact continuing down this road, and as you can see the fences, until there is a little plaza, and then after that it will gonna go on the boulevard on the Caspian. So let's go and see until where is the curve. Now here there is a little square, and this little road arrived till there and there, where now the cars are turning. There is the turn that I was mentioning before. That's pretty interesting piece of the circuit, and then from there they will go on the boulevard. There is a piece of the boulevard where they go in both directions. There is a separation in between, and the cars goes in two directions. After this curve and the piece where they go in opposite direction, the truck will move into the old city, which is a very touristic part, with a pretty spectacular track, especially one curve, if I remember well. We will go there. Now, I believe this curve, it's quite a piece of show, because there are a lot of seats there where you can see the cars coming straight in front of you and turning. Now, as I was mentioning, and as you can see here, there are barriers in the middle, because in this piece of the track they will go in opposite direction. And there is the famous flame towers at the end. Quite a show. Here there is quite a big place for the organization stuff. But yeah, here the piece of the boulevard where they run in two opposite direction is indeed narrow. So between the two lines are very narrow, and they will not gonna be take over. I expect there is a gate here, interesting to see, and they probably also for support stuff or something. Oh, okay. Now I have to go back because here it's all closed up. So if I understood correctly, the cars arrive from here, and goes up to this little road here. This curve is gonna be also quite interesting. So let's continue to this little road and see. I think here we start moving into the old city. Let's see. So it seems that now the cars will come from here and go up in this tiny little road uphill on the historical city. In fact, you see here there are the guardrails. So let's go. Not sure how far I can reach. That's for sure quite a nice spot to get the cars running. We are outside the wall of the old city. The car should come up from here. And in fact here they're gonna be another interesting spot, because they are putting all places to sit. And from here I think they're gonna be going up there around. We continue. By judging by the dampers they put, this curve is also gonna be a tricky point. We keep going up now into this park. Anyway, beside the Formula 1, it's a very nice site, I must say. So, which I will have to come back and dedicate some videos to this historical part of Baku, definitely. But for now, let's go back to Formula 1. Now we are on the top of the hill, sort of Baku, and I think in a little bit the truck will start going back down on the boulevard. So that's a nice part of the city that personally I never saw in almost 1 year I'm here. So thanks to Formula 1, I'm discovering new areas of the city. Always nice. Yeah, we are on top of the hill of the old city, and the truck will continue and now start going down. It's a nice park here. Maybe I should come back another time just to spend some time here. Now we continue to see the truck. Here we start going down. It's a nice curve. I don't take a video of that curve because there is the palace of the president, so anyway, which is not allowed. Let's go to the boulevard down now. That's quite a cool one. And now we are down back to the boulevard. So here they will, I presume, start going to the right at the end there, but I'm at that end, so I have to go back. Very nice. Now we are getting up to the boulevard, where the last piece of the truck will arrive to the finish, and then I do expect on Sunday this part is gonna be pretty busy. They're already preparing a lot of things. You can access all this area by buying a ticket, which I will probably do, and should be a lot of activities here. But yeah, there's gonna be the car going, and here gonna be plenty of people. Here we are going towards the end. It's a long straight line till the finish, so I believe they will reach enormous speed there. There is a little curve here where then starts the opposite direction section, which we will pass by, in fact here, and then we will arrive to the finish line. There is the most famous, ancient and mysterious monument of Baku, the Maiden Tower, which we will go and visit one time and make a video. But here the truck make a sort of little chicane, well, little big, smooth, double curve before reaching the final straight piece. And it's plenty of works ongoing here, installations, tribunes, as you can see. Now again the 2 lanes portion seen from the other side. You are quite distant because of the park on the boulevard, but that's where life is gonna be. It's plenty of course there you have all the tribunes where to sit and look comfortable, but I think the party, the nicer atmosphere, we're gonna be in this area here. I mean, you will hear the cars, but here there's plenty of bars, restaurants, seats, and I think they are going to organize a lot of little events to entertain everybody. A lot of these containers has been placed on the boulevard, so it looks like they're gonna be dedicated for selling food, drinks maybe, or souvenirs, or special stuff related to Formula 1. So gonna be a big party. Here is another of the many temporary crossing bridges that has been installed. And here we are really arriving at the last portion of the track. That's really the last meters. In fact, there you can start seeing the boxes infrastructure, which are in front of the parliament, the government building of Azerbaijan. And there will gonna be a big infrastructure on this side as well, where I think they're gonna be done the winner ceremony and so and so. Yeah, this give you an idea of the finish of the race right there. Big tribune under construction exactly in front of the finish line, in front of the box as well. So great view, probably all sold out at an incredible expensive price anyway. And here we are. This is the end. This is basically where we started. So we completed the total track of Formula 1 Baku. And now, last piece here in front is Track Medical Center, which is well under construction. Hopefully it will not gonna be needed. My house is just behind there, that yellow building. So I think it's gonna be a noisy weekend in 2 weeks from now, but fun. One of those things that you're happy to do once in your life. Track Medical Center. And with this one, Baku Formula 1 preparation video can be considered completed.